Viewers, welcome to another podcast episode from Taste Buds by Anubi. And today's episode is real important. And we wanted to share our experience with our review on Bikaner.
Yes,
Bikaner Wala?
Bikaner. No, just
Bikaner, no,
Bikaner.
it's Bikaner Wala.
Bikaner Wala.
Bikaner
A very
Wala.
popular, it's a very popular chain in India,
Yeah.
and they try to bring it here in Dallas. And obviously, whenever a new restaurant comes in town, what the Taste Buds by Anubi fans, they send me personal messages that, did you visit this restaurant? Can you please go visit this restaurant? Can you tell us about your review? And I always look forward to go to these kind of restaurants because they are very popular,
Yeah.
right? So
Like
I want
Honest
to see
हो गया, ग्वालिया
ग्वालिया
हो
हो
गया.
गया, ये जो चेन ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स है ना, हमको लोगों को ये जानना होता है कि जैसा इंडिया में पॉपुलर है वैसा ही और दे मेंटेनिंग द सेम स्टैंडर्ड हियर.
You know, so as usual, today is Sunday, so we thought let's have our late lunch. So we drove to Irving. As I thought, the restaurant was packed. You know, there was at least 30-40 minutes wait.
So let's get right on it, Abhi.
Yeah, let's get right on it.
So we went there, and then the first thing is, you know, they said that there is a 40-minute wait. Okay, 40-minute wait, and which tells you that okay, the restaurant is packed, right? And then you're like, okay, you want to really eat something good. So and the way they talk to you, very arrogant, you know, right?
I mean,
the arrogance
you
at your
hit
door.
the arrogance right at the door.
Exactly.
The man who was standing at the door was very arrogant. The way he was talking to customers, I didn't feel right.
Yeah, and then you
So
went
we go
inside.
We go inside.
We have a toddler.
We have a toddler with us, and they just have 2 high chairs in the entire restaurant.
And it's
So
a family restaurant.
Yeah. And so if if the high chairs are gone, they are gone. So you have to be ready to make your toddler sit on the lap, because you cannot make the toddler sit on the booth or on the chair because they can fall down. It's dangerous.
Right. And then you know Anubi, that we always are here to support local restaurants. So let this go, and then okay, you next step is you move on to the menu.
Yeah. So then there are 2 aspects, right? One is the food experience, one is the customer experience. So let's move on to the customer experience. So then we move to order our food.
Right.
And
it's a self-serve.
Yeah,
you
it's a
go,
self-serve.
you order.
You go, you order.
Nobody came to us to give the menu. We had to actually literally
And
ask
we were
our
6 of
next.
us, by the way. We were 6.
And you
they
know,
made us sit on a table of 4.
Yeah, and you know, when they were taking my name and taking the reservation, I asked them that, don't you need the count of how many people? Is it 2? Is it 4? Is it 6? He said, no, not needed.
So why? So how? I mean, what is the need?
I don't know.
How do you
That
how
was
do you
funny.
take account? What is the need? So anyway, so we go there, we order the food.
Yeah, and then they gave us a seat of 4, and we were 6 and trying, and there is no high chair, whatever. Okay, but whatever. We were like, breathe in, and then okay, let's
breathe
move
out,
on.
calm down, go get your food. So we went to the food counter, the order counter. We started placing our order. So they are very famous for their charts, like the Raj Kachori,
Right.
you know, the Bhalla Papdi, Dahi Bhalla, Pani Puri.
Right.
You know, they have the kulchas, all these. So when we started ordering, it
item
struck to us that everything, almost half of the items are not there.
Not there. So it's not that they're out of it. We went there at 12:30 on a Sunday. It's start of the day. So they are not available. Then why don't you put it in the menu that they're not available? You are making somebody wait outside for 40 minutes for something that, okay, I want to try a Raj Kachori. I am going to wait 40 minutes.
They are known for their Raj Kachori. Yeah. I waited 40 minutes for that. When I go inside, they don't have Raj Kachori. They don't have the Bhalla Papdi. All they have is Pani Puri in the charts.
And all they have is idli sambar. मैं idli sambar के लिए तेरे पास क्यों आऊंगी भाई? Sarvada Bhavan है, Simply South है. There are South Indian restaurants, right? I'm going to Bikaner for the experience of the charts.
Yeah.
So,
so anyway, so in middle of this, when we were doing this.
So initially they knew that we were recording the video. They were very happy because you know. No wait. So the funniest thing is, so we are taking the video and the owners are really happy. Oh, somebody is going to promote a restaurant, you know. So okay, well, they're taking the video. Okay, nobody objected. But then when we started having a bad experience and we started talking about the bad experience, that's when the owner chipped.
Somebody told the owner that these guys are kind of, you know, the food bloggers, and they are saying these things that
it's
menu,
not, and
it's missing from the menu.
Exactly. And it's not that we were bitching about it. We were just saying that
we were ready to get the food and give our experience about the food.
Exactly.
we had nothing to do, or it's not there, ठीक है यार, नहीं है नहीं.
नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है.
So the owner came to me and he said that you cannot record without our consent.
Okay,
I
and
said,
in this generation where a phone, a camera, a video is like compulsive. एक drink भी आता है, all the women, all the men, they take the video, slow-mos, they do reels and everything. In this generation, in this era where, you know, everything is on reels, TikTok videos, everywhere, somebody tells you not to record a video. How come we have done reviews of 60 restaurants. कभी भी एक भी बंदे ने हमको बोला नहीं कि मत करो.
नहीं, मतलब अगर आपको आपके फूड पे कॉन्फिडेंस है तो आप नहीं, why you would say यार कर लो. I have full confidence in my cuisine, in my menu, you know.
So what are you scared of?
What are you scared of? So anyways, that dude came to me and he said you cannot record. It's I completely get it.
We
You
stopped.
know, उनका personal property है. They said you cannot shoot it without our consent. I stopped it there and there.
Yeah, and then
I stopped it. I kept my phone inside my pocket, and I said everything was fine. And if they wanted us to leave, we would leave. So at that point, I kept the phone inside my pocket, and I told Anu that Anu, it doesn't make sense to eat over here right now because you know, lot has
कुछ
been
है
going on.
नहीं,
So
और कुछ है भी नहीं
कुछ
वहाँ पे
मेन्यू पे
खाने
आइटम
को.
भी नहीं था जो हमको रिव्यू करना था. Like Raj
Exactly.
Kachori is a very special dish that you don't get in Dallas, that you only get in Bikaner wala. So
So
I said,
and as a reviewers, we would always want to show some new dish, okay? And I would not give them the benefit of doubt कि यार नया restaurant है, अभी तक adjust हो रहे हैं. नहीं, because you know you have to bring up the game from day one. यहाँ पे ना जो competition है is cutthroat. Dallas में there are so many restaurants, okay? And it's not that they have opened yesterday, right? It's been a while they have opened. And then on a Sunday, you should know that the restaurant gets busy and you have to make sure that you have all the items. So मुझे तो ऐसा feeling आता है अभी कि ये जो chain of restaurants जो इंडिया से लेके आ रहे हैं ना, they are not doing a good judgment, you know.
no, basically the thing is, see,
उनका नाम खराब हो रहा
probably
है.
they have to train their cooks, that they are the
अरे
cooks that are
देख,
here.
हम लोग
They have to
तक
make
पहुंचे भी
sure.
नहीं बंगारू.
नहीं मतलब मैं cooks की बात कर रहा हूँ कि food, कुछ लोगों को food का
Food का तो
food का experience was bad.
obviously we
There was
checked
one lady,
our,
there was one
हाँ.
lady who was telling us that you know she didn't like the food after all this. When we were about to leave. So anyways, so we left. We left from the property.
This was going to be folks.
Yeah, we wanted
fans
to
want to
we
know.
wanted to let you know our experience. You know,
Right.
this is the first time that such kind of thing has happened, and we wanted to tell you our part of the story, that these things happened and they asked us to stop and we stopped and we left. So never
Right.
this thing has happened to us.
As in,
But you know, this is something kind of a new
New
experience for us.
you know, we are those kind of people जो who wants to support local restaurants and हम Dallas के हैं, कोई भी business हो.
में मेहनत लगती है, हमें
Right.
पता है. But this is not the way to treat your customers.
Right.
With disrespect.
Yeah.
Customer is God, and you got to treat every customer with respect. That's
Yeah.
what I think.
So going to a restaurant with a family, it's not just for food, right?
an
It's about
experience.
it's about
It's a
experience.
user experience, it's a customer experience, it's a food experience, and
And it's you're building memories. You know, तुम अपने
Right.
family के
अभी
साथ
मैं
जा
मेरी
रहे हो.
बहन विजिट कर रही है, उसको मैं लेके गया, क्या मेमोरीज है उसके.
क्या memories है वो अटलांटा
She
से
saw-
आई
she
है और
saw-
वो
she
जाके
saw a fight there. So, anyways,
see like उसका भी जो experience है right कि आप बीकानेर क्या बकवास है right, that's what she is going to go with, क्या Dallas के लोग कैसे हैं right, you know. So हम लोग खुद के पब्लिक की तो वाट लगा ही रहे हैं, अभी जो बाहर से आए हुए हैं उनका भी you are just ruining the name.
so on a like to end this podcast, I would say कि it's a very bad customer experience. You can't treat your customers like that. Not just us, because we were food vloggers. I could see that they were talking rudely to all the other
Each and every
customers over there.
customer right, you know.
Like तुमको आना है तो रहना है तो रहो, ना तो जाओ.
नहीं तो भाड़ में जाओ right, you
ऐसा
know.
ऐसा kind of
ऐसा
attitude
attitude
था
है
उनका.
yeah.
I could
कि-
feel that.
I don't know, मुझे आजकल के कुछ कुछ रेस्टोरेंट्स में ये नजर आ रहा है कि ऐसे एटीट्यूड से जो द ओनर्स ऐसा बिहेव कर रहे हैं कि तू नहीं तो कोई और मिल
नहीं,
जाएगा.
क्योंकि-
ऐसा ऐसा थोड़ी यार, हम लोग आईटी में है, वी हैव डन आवर मास्टर्स इन इंजीनियरिंग एंड देन वहां से हम लोगों ने आईटी में जॉब्स कर रहे हैं. हमको मास्टर्स से बैचलर्स मास्टर्स जॉब से सिखाया गया है कि कस्टमर भगवान होता है, वो हो ना हो पर उसके सामने हम लोग उसको भगवान की तरह ट्रीट करना
every
चाहिए।
business, the customer
एवरी
is
बिजनेस,
God. So
आईटी
you
में
got to
हो
treat
कुछ
your
भी।
customer with,
और खाने के तो रेस्टोरेंट्स तो बहुत ही
you
ज्यादा
have
है
to
यार।
treat your customers well, because like I said in my last podcast, good reviews don't go far, but bad reviews go long.
या
So you
आई
have to be
डोंट
aware
थिंक,
of it,
या
and you know, and that's all I have. I
या
mean,
एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू गो
no, I mean,
बैक।
we are not going to go back. This is the final, first
So
and final
we are sorry that we cannot give you the
Bikaner wala,
food experience of Bikaner
because
wala,
yeah,
because
but this is the all experience we had.
this is the experience we
We
have.
couldn't taste the food, but customer experience, what we felt, we are giving, you know, our heartfelt experience, what we felt there.
या और कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस के बाद फूड आता है। अगर सिर्फ फूड की बात है तो मैं तो टू गो भी कर लूं, राइट।
Yeah.
मैं बाजू में जाके स्वदेशी में टू गो कर लूं, तो मैं कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस के लिए गई एंड आई डिडंट फाइंड दैट एंड योर डे टू बी रूड।
आपको रिस्पेक्ट से ट्रीट नहीं करते, think twice before going to such kind of restaurants.
Yep, hopefully the next one will be a good one.
Yep, that's all.
All right,
And
thanks.
see you next time. This is bye from Taste Buds by Anubi.
Bye bye.